My name is Ginny Banks and I work at the Port Elgin branch for Nicol Insurance. I am a personal lines account manager, which means that I do all the day-to-day servicing on the policies. So if you're a client and you have any changes that need to be done, any billing questions, I'm the person that you would be contacting and I'd help you. I've been with Nicol Insurance for just over 3 years now. I guess I've noticed changes in my own personal growth. The more courses you take, the more you learn. Everything is changing always in the insurance industry. So those types of changes are constantly happening, whether or not it's rate increases, decreases, different coverages that you can add to your policy, different coverages that are being removed. So always educating our clients on those changes in the industry as well. So I grew up here, moved to the Port Elgin area back when I was 4 years old. Grew up here. I left to go to university and was in the city for 5-6 years and decided that the hometown, small town feeling was more what I wanted to have for my family. And so we moved back. City life is not for us, and that's why we enjoy being back in the small town community. You're not just a number. You're not just going out, buying your groceries. You're meeting people, you're having conversations. And that rolls into the role here of working at Nicol Insurance in Port Elgin in a small town, because we treat our clients as though they're not a number, that they are somebody in the community that we know. So my training, when I first started, I had no insurance background per se. I did work for a physiotherapy clinic that I did have working on the other end of doing claims of people needing the rehab. So I had that type of background coming in, knowing what people were experiencing in that claim situation. When I was hired from Nicol, I did go get my Rebo license, always constantly learning just like any other broker. I did get my CABE 1 certification though last year as well. So I find working with Nicol Insurance, the company itself is a very family-oriented community, that we are there for each other. We're a team environment. You have that flexibility to rely on each other in a family surroundings. They are compassionate towards you as an employee. And you're, again, not a number. Yes, we're a big company, but not big enough that you're looked past and replaceable. No, everybody is valued for who they are. The most important part or enjoyable part of my job is dealing with clients on a daily basis, making sure that they are insured properly so that they can go and live their life, just like our motto is. Your lifestyle is trusted, and that is what we do. Nicol Insurance does look at you as an individual. So we have a quick turnaround, 4 hours. We get strong, positive remarks back from clients because they know that we're quick to respond, we're easy to deal with, we're helping them understand what they have, and that we respect them, that their time is worth something too. So we're not taking forever to get back to them. And that's why some people will call us and say, hey, listen, you've gotten back to us quicker. It doesn't matter where the price point. I find when you're able to relate to the client, putting yourself into their shoes and able to relate, instead of just being that cold figure, that they understand, that they feel that they can talk to you. So whether or not they've missed a payment and they feel bad, you know what they're going through, you can relate to them, they understand and respect that as well. And then just having a conversation, you get to know the people, you get to know, oh, you just got your license, now you're getting married, you're having children, now you're retiring. Following up with those things makes a big difference. That customer service, that sets us apart. A good insurance policy is making sure that the client is properly insured for everything that is out there, that they're aware of what coverages are available. So depending again on their lifestyle, what is required, and that they're educated so that they know what their policy contains. one where the client has no idea what they have. I've had people come over from other insurance companies. They're like, this is my policy. I have no idea what I have. I don't know if I've got coverage for this. And being able to go through that policy and helping them understand that policy would be a better policy. The most rewarding part of my job is knowing that at the end of the day, I have helped my clients understand what they have and that they're insured, and that I can rest easy at night, they can rest easy at night, knowing that if something happened in the event of a claim, they're fully covered. So Nicol Insurance motto is your lifestyle trusted. And that's what is the most rewarding part of this job. Makes you able to come back to work the next day knowing that you are helping individuals to have an enjoyable life, knowing that in a bad situation, their lifestyle is trusted. It is insured. You should consider Nicol Insurance for your needs because we do put you first. We have excellent customer service. You will get a response quickly. You're not going to be waiting days or months to get a response. We're here to help you. If we don't know the answer, we find the answer for you and quickly in a timely manner, and making sure that you understand everything that you have. We look at other markets to make sure that you are always getting the most competitive prices for comparable coverages. Really knowing what some of your endorsements on your policy are makes a big difference. Some insurance companies will go and say, you have OPCF, whatever number. And clients are like, okay, they don't understand what that means. Us at Nicol, we like to break that down. Really explain what those numbers mean and what they are of what you have on your policy.